You can find them across almost every major e-commerce platform. Beautifully designed, meticulously branded Shopify stores with a dedicated blog section that hasn't been updated since 2022. The cost of that stagnation is steep. Modern search engines penalize inactive sites. Without fresh content, these stores slowly drop out of search results, losing the high-intent organic traffic that drives conversions. The reason for this digital graveyard is simple: friction. Writing quality articles takes hours, and merchants quickly run out of relevant ideas that actually tie back to what their customers want to read. Early automation tools tried to fix this, but they introduced their own problems. They spit out highly generic filler text that no human wanted to read, and their publishing schedules routinely crashed in the background without alerting the store owner. Surviving today's SEO landscape requires something far more robust. A store needs a closed-loop system that scans the internet to see what shoppers are actively searching for, writes highly specific answers, and publishes them flawlessly on a rigid schedule. This is the BlogBlitz topic brainstorming interface. Instead of staring at a blank page, this serves as the starting line for a store's entire content strategy. The first step replaces guesswork with real-world data by locking the content focus directly onto live Google Trends. This pulls live search behaviors directly into the system, ensuring the content engine is anchored exclusively to specific topics humans are looking for. Clicking these trend filters instantly calibrates the generated article topics below. The AI drafts ideas, mapping perfectly to immediate market demand. To keep those ideas logical, the season context filter ensures the system understands the time of year, preventing it from suggesting deep winter coats during a spring trend search. Next is AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization. This targets the new frontier of online search. AEO structures the generated articles with clear, direct answers and FAQ sections designed specifically to be ingested and recommended by AI engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity. By layering live search trends, seasonal logic, and exact AI formatting, the resulting blog ideas are mathematically calibrated for discoverability, all before a single paragraph is written. To build the actual articles, the system uses Gemini 3.1 Flash. It generates a bespoke prompt and unique cover image for every post, ensuring the site avoids the repetitive, templated look of early AI blogs. The execution happens here in the autopilot dashboard. The specific topics selected during brainstorming are moved directly into this pending production queue, ready for publishing. Merchants configure a hands-free publishing schedule, selecting exactly how often and at what precise time the content should go live. A single click on Schedule All populates the entire content calendar, mapping out weeks of posts in chronological order. Underneath the interface, BlogBlitz uses isolated processing containers. This means if a single API timeout occurs on one article, the error is quarantined. The rest of the queue continues to publish uninterrupted. Built-in API delays and this isolated processing logic guarantee that articles will continue drafting and posting completely unattended, even over a long weekend. This architecture solves the silent failures that plagued older tools. It turns what used to be a brittle automation script into reliable, production-grade infrastructure. With just a few seconds of initial input, merchants secure a fully populated, active blog section featuring a backlog of visually distinct, highly relevant articles. This graph illustrates the macro result. Consistent daily publishing of trend-aligned posts creates a compounding effect, causing a store's overall organic search visibility to accelerate upward. That visibility translates directly into capturing high-intent search engine traffic, bringing engaged shoppers straight into the store to drive measurable monthly sales. Ultimately, this hands the merchant back their most valuable asset, time. The heaviest, most tedious marketing chore is entirely handled in the background. By combining cultural awareness with reliable engineering, BlogBlitz turns automated blogging from a liability into a highly tuned growth engine.